All we have observed, feel, and most important thing, emotional bonding with the people from the other states, students from the other states within UP. So this emotional bonding with exchange of knowledge under prestigious presidency of Professor Dr. Manju Verma Madam. Have a big applause for her. She guided me every day. Do like this, don't do like this. I obey. Really, result is in front of you. Not thanks. I am very grateful for our organizing chairperson, Dr. Sadhna Gupta Madam. She instructed very tightly to me how you will conduct this conference and what will be your decisions. Everything very minutely. She guided me, she helped me, and always whatever decision is taken by me, it was proved by Dr. Manju Madam and Dr. Sadhna Madam. Both believed me and given me opportunity to conduct this conference. And I believed in my patron, Dr. Sanjay Sharma Madam, Dr. Sunita Arora Madam, our principal, Dr. Mayank Singh, co-chairperson, very dynamic, Dr. Alka Sethi Madam, Dr. Sushila Kharwal Madam, she is our former HOD and she also guided me कि सबको साथ में लेकर चलना है. With both blessings of both co-chairpersons and chairpersons, I started my journey 1 year before to conduct this conference. And I believe in my team, the very dynamic, very talented, no words for them. Dear Dr. Vidya Chaudhary, Dr. C.P. Agrawal, please represent our head, chairing our head seat. Dr. Preeti Kanar, beautifully she conducted Master of Ceremony. Big applause for her. Whole ceremony of the inauguration. And she dedicated from last 1 month to conduct this inaugural ceremony. And I observed how minutely she was asking me questions. कभी कभी मुझे लगता था क्यों पूछा जा रहा है, लेकिन आज समझ में आया कि to conduct an inaugural ceremony is a really tough and biggest job. सभी को उनके हिस्से का रिगार्ड आदर देना it's really tough job. So I am very thankful to Dr. Preeti for doing your job so perfectly. And whole paper, 70 plus paper, it's not a joke. To smooth conduction of 70 research articles within 2 days. And she worked very hard to conduct. And she told me, Madam, आप पेपर का बिल्कुल चिंता मत करना. This I will do very successfully. And already now result again हम सबके सामने. She conducted very successfully, very smoothly, without any other paper conduction and 70 plus paper conduction. Really it is also a very tough job, but she conducted very successfully. So have a big applause for her. Preeti Khanna, with our senior resident Dr. Asma, Dr. Deepa, Dr. Diksha, and one more resident, Dr. Pooja Veda, Dr. CP. So, with us 4 senior residents, both Dr. Preeti Khanna and Dr. Vidya Chaudhary, they conducted as a hall coordinator very smoothly. And all we are knowing, the scientific program is very packed program. And without a minute of gap, they conducted, and today they finished just at 5 p.m. This is also something like a magic. Something like a magic, so have a big applause to both. To our hall coordinator and our senior residents. By Dr. Rajni Gautam, by Dr. Sucheta, by Dr. Manu and Dr. Surbi. They did wonderfully. How many tasks when I thought conduction of research paper, quiz conduction, poster conduction. Or poster conduction I observed 5 बजे तक Dr. Manu was there and she was conducting the poster ceremony. So have a big applause for Dr. CP, Dr. Rajni, Dr. Vidya Jain, Dr. Sujata Rajput, Dr. Manu Shukla, Dr. Surbi Sumar, with Dr. Pooja Yadav, Dr. Shikha Rajput, Dr. Neha, and one more. With you, one more is SR. I am missing. Please give me Asma with me. With you. You are 4 SR, senior SR with Hall B. So, and Dr. Mosam and Dr. Garima, both in a Hall B for a poster conduction. They conducted their job very nicely. Memento distribution is really a toughest job, and Dr. Lakshmi Jadhav and her team, they distribution of the memento without any mistake, conduction by the Dr. Lakshmi Jadhav madam and her team. It's a really big job and big applause for her. Dr. Rajkumari Dubey madam, Dr. Sabita Dubey madam, Dr. Alga Prakash, she is not here, she is at home due to some illness. Dr. Farhat Rui, Dr. Seema Saraogi, Dr. Ranjana Tripathi, and many senior faculties from our society. They all contributed a lot, they supported me a lot, and something positivity they distributed in whole team. So have a big applause for them. Pick up and drop is not an easy job, and Sitalji, Ayushman, Prashant, Amrendra and Mulayam. ये 5 लोगों की टीम थी. It is governed by the Sitalji, और everyone appreciated me. Their warm welcome and their इन्होंने उनको वहाँ छोड़ा और जिस रिगार्ड्स के साथ छोड़ा, जिन भावनाओं के साथ छोड़ा, सभी व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पर अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हैं. Have a big applause to all. शीतल. हाँ. Flower decoration in both hall. मैं थोड़ा कंफ्यूज थी, बहुत महंगा तो नहीं हो जाएगा, लेकिन शीतल जी told me नहीं मैडम ये करना है. हाँ. ओके ओके. तो शीतल जी ठीक है, आप एक्सेप्ट कर लीजिए अपने आप को जी के साथ. शीतल जी ने कहा कि नहीं ये बहुत जरूरी है मैडम और ये काम आप मुझे दीजिए, आप मुझ पर विश्वास करिए. मैंने कहा मुझे बुके के फोटोज दीजिए. मैंने कहा मैडम मैं दे दूंगा पर आप भरोसा रखिए. वेरी नाइसली यू डन योर जॉब. So big applause for you. All for फार्मास्यूटिकल्स कंपनी, सारी कंपनीज मेरे पास वो लिस्ट नहीं, गिरीश जी के पास वो लिस्ट है जिन्होंने यहाँ आए और उन्होंने अपने स्टॉल्स लगाए. दे कंट्रीब्यूटेड लॉट for the conduction of this academic feast. Sun Pharma, Acumentis, MacLeod, and आयुष्मान की कुछ Helios कंपनी, बहुत सारी कंपनी के मुझे नाम एकदम से अभी याद नहीं आ रहे हैं, लेकिन आप सबको, सभी को from the core of my heart I am giving you thanks for your contribution and for your active participation. Last day इतने लोगों के फोन आए कि we wanted to have a stall, लेकिन fortunately हम लोगों ने सिर्फ 20 स्टॉल का ही यहाँ अरेंजमेंट किया था. तो कहते हुए अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था, लेकिन ये बड़ा सरप्राइजिंग था कि हम लोगों ने बहुत सारे लोगों को मना किया. और हमें जो फीडबैक मिला था दूसरी कॉन्फ्रेंसेस से, उन्होंने कहा था कि दिस इज अ वेरी टफ टाइम टू ऑर्गेनाइज एकेडमिक फीस्ट, क्योंकि डे एंड डे एवरीवेयर कहीं ना कहीं कुछ एकेडमिक कंडक्शन होते रहते हैं एंड एवरी फार्मा इज पार्टिसिपेटिंग देम. सो इट इज अ बिग लोड ऑन leaders of that pharmaceutical companies. Distribution or participation is nowadays, due to the MCI protocols and due to the many conferences conduction, so quite difficult to them to participate. In spite of this, all participated very eagerly with full enthusiasm, and their contribution is remarkable. Big thanks to all pharmaceuticals companies. आपने पेपर्स देखे होंगे, कल और आज न्यूज से भरे हुए हैं. Electronic and print media, especially chief editors of all print media, especially दैनिक जागरण, अमर उजाला, दैनिक भास्कर और सारे न्यूज नई दुनिया और सारे लोकल न्यूज़पेपर्स एवं इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया, सारे उनके जितने भी चैनल्स हैं, not only this, by many persons coverage of our conference, tomorrow's coverage was very good, excellent one, and we are expecting same coverage tomorrow that we will see in our news channels on our daily newspapers. So also I am very thankful to all of them. Event manager Mr. Amit, he arranged things so beautifully without any hassle. So thanks to our Amit team for as an event manager. So everyone have a warm feeling. They departed from this place with the emotions, with a very warm feeling and happily. So have one applause for Mr. Amit. नटराज सरोवर पोर्टिको मिस्टर अश्विनी कुमार, उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से सारा अरेंजमेंट कहीं किसी फूड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में, किसी भी मील में हम लोगों को कहीं कोई शिकायत नहीं मिली, and everything is clean. So also we are thankful to our administration and each and every employee of the Natraj Portico Sarovar, and also we wish them for a lot of success in future. With this, I am very grateful to all senior members and my residents. Without your presence and hard work and your vibrantly, versatilely you have participated and did your job, especially cultural program conducted by our residents. It was appreciated by each and every faculty of this conference. आप लोगों ने परफॉर्म किया। बुआ जी हमेशा याद रहेंगी। बुआ जी, बस हमारा फर्स्ट ईयर नहीं याद रहेगा तो आखिर तक नहीं मुस्कुराया। आखिर तक she was so serious. I observed her. उस एक स्माइल उसके चेहरे पर नहीं थी।
आइडिया तो मेरा था, नो डाउट, बट अकेले ही निकले थे, पर लोग जुड़ते चले गए और इतना एक फाइनल प्रोडक्ट बहुत अच्छा निकला। रेजिडेंट से खुद ने इनपुट्स दिए, नदी ने इनपुट दिए, मैम ने इनपुट दिए, पूरी फैकल्टी ने इनपुट दिया, तब जाके वो बना। सो इट वाज एक्चुअली, मतलब खुद को भी बहुत खुशी हुई कि सोचा कुछ नहीं था, बस एक आइडिया था पर हो गया।
In the end, I would just like to say a few words for Dr. Hema. Congratulations for such a wonderful, successful conference. You've become the top of the town, and absolutely wish you all the best for your future endeavors also. And your dynamism has really shown, it has proved that you are a dynamic personality. And icing on the cake is presence of Madam Manju Verma. Till the end, she's here just to encourage us. So we have her blessings with us. Thank you, Madam. Thank you so much.